He was orphaned at 9 years old, but still became the President of the United States. Herbert Hoover lost both parents young and was raised by relatives. But he worked hard, studied engineering, and became a self-made millionaire before age 40. He didn't stop there. He helped feed millions of starving people in Europe after World War II and was known as a humanitarian before entering politics. From nothing to the White House, what's stopping you? Subscribe for more inspiring stories from history.